Hey guys, please bear with me in this sort of crude video. This is actually the third time I've had to try to shoot this video. The first time, the video itself just looked kind of wonky, like the picture, and then the second time, the audio didn't record at all. Well, the meters are going like it's recording, but they were last time too, and it still didn't get the audio.
Well, I guess play it back real quick.
And here's the third time, me hoping the third time's the charm. All right, so now that that's out of the way, I would like to introduce you guys to Liquid Clay, which is our newest styling product, which is, if you're watching this video, it's now available and live on the store. It's obviously a spray, and you might be wondering, well, what's the difference in this and the texture spray? Well, the main difference is kind of the finish that you're going to get and the feeling. This one has no salts or anything in it, and the texture spray uses mainly salt for the texture. It has no clay, so there's going to be kind of a different feel in the hair. This one, having clay in it, it's drier looking and drier feeling in the hair. So, you know, it's kind of not only it looks drier, it is actually drier in the hair. Kind of a little bit, I want to say tuggier even, just because it's a little denser. But all in all, it still offers a light hold, kind of like all the sprays do. And it's basically really easy to use. It works great before applying like a cream or a pomade or something, or just on its own if you want a more loose and natural look. So I'm just going to style with it real quick. And I have towel dried hair, clean towel dried hair. So it's important to shake this up. It says on the label, shake vigorously for 15 seconds, and 10 probably does it, but you know, we like to be safe rather than sorry. Sometimes the clay will pull at the bottom and you just got to shake it. But anyway, so I'm just going to spray my hair pretty liberally, probably like 10 sprays. I don't really know. We'll see. That was like 12. Have you noticed I kind of sprayed more in the front? And that's because I want a lot of the style to be in the front, the volume, and the, you know, and the texture. So I just have a hairdryer here and a really cheap generic vent brush, which I use basically in all the videos that I've done. They're just really simple brushes, and you don't even need an expensive hairdryer like this. You can get away with like a cheaper one. So anyway, basically I'm just going to blow my hair on hot where I want the style to be basically, and then I'm going to finish it off with a cold shot at the end to kind of lock everything in place. So I'm trying to do this on the front facing camera on my phone. Hopefully I can see okay. So if you notice, I'm doing a whole lot of this little action in the front, and that's just to get my hair honestly as tall as I can for you. So yeah, I'm almost done. One thing I want to point out is once your hair starts to dry up with this, you'll kind of feel your brush start to kind of tug a little, and that's how you know that your hair is pretty much dry and ready. Mine pretty much is. I'm just gonna go over it like one more time for a second with the heat and then do the cold. So then that's basically it. So now I'm going to go over on cold. I'm just going to go over the same spots that I already went over and do it the same way. All right, so probably just going to call that done. But anyway, yeah, so it's pretty easy to work with. I mean, if you've worked with any other sprays before, texture sprays or whatever, it's, you know, it's kind of the same process. You just put it in and blow dry it, and you can either leave it as is, or you definitely can just top it off with a pomade. If I was going to go out and have a crazy day, I typically just use the sprays as like a pre-styler, and I will finish it off with our matte paste or something just for like the most hold, because, you know, sprays basically give you a lighter hold, so they don't really have waxes or anything too thick in them. But I'm going to spin in the chair because people sometimes say that I don't show off the back of my hair. Okay, so The scent of this is the same as our texture spray and our clay and our paste and stuff like that. It's called Everglade. It's the scent that has been in our stylers, you know, unless we've had an alt scent. It's the same scent that we've been using. How long have we been using that scent? Probably since 2018. So it doesn't smell any different than what you get when you buy an Arcadian product, basically. We hope to have this out through our wholesale partners pretty soon. You know, if you're watching this later, I'm sure it's already there, but for right now, you can only get it on our store, and we kind of have a smaller batches made of it, so I'm not sure how long it'll stay in stock. But if you have any comments or questions, rather, just leave them in the comments below. I hope that take was good, because like I said, this is the third time I've done it. How many takes of me spinning in the chair